Tiny messengers, big impact. Introducing neurotransmitters. Our brains are intricate networks buzzing with activity. This activity is driven by billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other using chemical messengers. We call these messengers neurotransmitters. Imagine neurotransmitters as tiny boats carrying messages across a vast ocean. Each boat has a specific destination and cargo. The cargo represents information critical for various brain functions. These functions include thinking, feeling, and moving. Neurotransmitters are fundamental to our existence. They underpin our every thought, emotion, and action. Understanding these chemical messengers is key to unlocking the mysteries of the brain. They hold the key to understanding who we are. Without neurotransmitters, our brains would be silent. There would be no communication between neurons. Our brains would not be able to process information. We would not be able to function.
Section 8. Fine-tuning the system. Mechanisms of neuromodulation. Neuromodulators work their magic through various mechanisms. Unlike neurotransmitters, which have a direct and localized effect at the synapse, neuromodulators operate more globally. They can influence the activity of entire brain regions. One way they achieve this is by modulating the release of other neurotransmitters. Think of them as adjusting the volume knobs on different instruments in an orchestra. They can amplify or dampen the signals transmitted by neurotransmitters, thus fine-tuning the overall communication. Neuromodulators can also alter the way neurons respond to neurotransmitters. They can make receptors on the receiving neuron more or less sensitive to the incoming signals. It's like adjusting the tuning of an instrument to create a harmonious sound. This ability to modulate neural activity on a broader scale makes neuromodulators crucial for various brain functions. These include regulating attention, learning, memory, and emotional responses. Understanding their mechanisms is key to understanding the brain's remarkable adaptability and complexity.
Section 9. The delicate balance. Importance of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. The brain's intricate symphony relies on a delicate balance of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. Too much or too little of either can disrupt this balance, leading to various neurological and psychological disorders. For instance, imbalances in dopamine levels are implicated in Parkinson's disease, schizophrenia, and addiction. Disruptions in serotonin levels are linked to depression, anxiety, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. These conditions highlight the importance of maintaining a delicate chemical equilibrium in the brain. Understanding the roles and interactions of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators is crucial for developing effective treatments for these disorders. By targeting specific neurotransmitter systems, medications and therapies aim to restore balance and alleviate symptoms. Furthermore, lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, stress management, and social connections can also influence neurotransmitter and neuromodulator levels. Adopting a holistic approach to brain health is essential for maintaining this delicate balance and promoting overall well-being.
Section 10. Beyond the brain neurotransmitters in the peripheral nervous system. While often discussed in the context of the brain, neurotransmitters are not confined to the central nervous system. They also play crucial roles in the peripheral nervous system, which connects the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. In the peripheral nervous system, neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and norepinephrine are essential for communication between nerves and muscles. They facilitate voluntary and involuntary muscle contractions, allowing us to move, breathe, and regulate our internal organs. Neurotransmitters are also involved in sensory perception, relaying information from our senses to the brain. For instance, neurotransmitters like glutamate and GABA are involved in transmitting signals from our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin to the brain, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Understanding the role of neurotransmitters in the peripheral nervous system is just as crucial as understanding their role in the brain. It provides a more complete picture of how these chemical messengers contribute to our overall health and well-being.
Section 11. Conclusion. The ongoing quest to decipher the brain's language. The world of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators is vast and complex. Scientists are still unraveling the intricacies of their interactions and their impact on brain function. Yet, with each discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the elegant language of the brain. Understanding how these chemical messengers communicate is crucial for advancing our knowledge of the brain in both health and disease. This knowledge paves the way for developing new treatments for neurological and psychological disorders, offering hope for millions of people worldwide. As we continue to delve into the brain's chemical symphony, we unlock the secrets of consciousness, cognition, and behavior. The quest to decipher the brain's language is an ongoing journey, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the essence of what makes us human. The brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, remains one of the most complex and fascinating frontiers in science. By continuing to explore the world of neurotransmitters and neuromodulators, we embark on a journey of discovery that promises to illuminate the deepest mysteries of the human mind.